everyone, welcome back to the channel. I was really hoping to get a video out for you guys earlier this week, but life had different plans. I actually got COVID, and where I live in Nova Scotia, you have to quarantine for 7 days, and I couldn't make it down to the garage since my dad works there as well, and I didn't want to give it to him. I'm still feeling a little bit sluggish, but I'm feeling a lot better. Not being able to go to the garage has been super tough. I can't wait to go back. I have a lot of things planned for the 68, but there will be a video on that soon. I figured that I could do something with my 72 C10, and there's still salt in the road, so I can't drive it. But I'm gonna do a little bit of a sound comparison between having the Magnaflows and straight pipe. Before I fire up the truck, my exhaust setup is Gibson long tube headers with 3-inch pipe all the way to 2 Magnaflow mufflers, and there's no crossover pipes. So I got one muffler out. It was super tight down there. It'd be nice to have it on the lift. These are the 2 Magnaflows I had installed. Don't mind the burnt rubber on it. I don't know how that got there. But you can see it's a straight through design. I think it makes quite a difference. I'm gonna fire it up. No mufflers, straight 3-inch pipe from the headers back. I don't know, you guys are gonna have to help me decide which one sounds better. Without the mufflers, it's definitely loud. I think it's a little deeper of a tone with the Magnaflows, which is kind of cool. I am very interested to hear what you guys think and which one you prefer. Let me know down in the comments, and if you have any questions about my setup, feel free to ask. I appreciate everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.